Hi there, my name is Lace Crabtree and welcome to my channel, your go-to source for all things sensitive skin. Today I am diving into how to use a facial oil. I'm going to give you 3 simple tips to correctly use a facial oil and incorporate it into your skincare routine so that you maximize the benefits of using it and avoid just common mistakes that people who are new to facial oils commonly make. So first things first, when you're using a facial oil, you want to be sure to use the right amount. So you really only need 3 to 5 drops for your entire face. You don't want to overdo it because then it's just too much. You're just overdoing it. And you don't want to use too little or you just won't get the benefits of it. So between 3 and 5 drops for your entire face is perfect. That's why I love facial oils with a dropper format because it allows you to really control how much you're using. So 3 to 5 oils for your entire face. My second tip is that, I always recommend that you apply your facial oil to damp skin. So avoid applying facial oils to dry skin. I always recommend using it directly after, your toner or your facial mist. You really want to apply your facial oil to wet or damp skin. And the reason for that is when the facial oil comes in contact with water and combines with water as you're massaging it in, the water actually helps with penetration and absorption, and so just really boosts the effectiveness of your facial oil. And the third tip I have for you is to make sure that you are always applying your facial oil last. It is the last step of your skincare routine, even after your cream moisturizer. If you use like a night cream or a day cream moisturizer in your skincare routine, you want your facial oil to be applied last. It should come after everything. And the reason for that is the way of oils in general function, the way a facial oil works, is that it provides a barrier from the elements. It helps to lock everything in and then provides a barrier to protect your skin from the elements. So, you want to lock in all of that good hydration and nutrients from whatever other products you're using. And so you want to apply your facial oil last for it to work the way it's supposed to. Otherwise, you're going to be preventing things from absorbing into your skin if your facial oil goes on first. So I hope you found this helpful. These are my 3 tips to help you properly use a facial oil and get the most out of it. I hope you found it helpful. Go ahead and give it a like. Go give this video a like if you have enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe for more. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'm happy to get to them. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.